Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing the must-have drink at Starbucks at the moment, the brown sugar oat milk espresso. I'm gonna show you how to make this at home without breaking the bank and going to Starbucks every day, because you know you are. All right, let's get started. First and foremost, Starbucks uses this exact brand of oat milk. This is Oatly, and it's just non-dairy, no nuts, no gluten. And this is the 32 fluid ounce container. Then you're going to want to get 2 ounces of espresso. So 2 ounces equals 2 shots of espresso. And you're gonna wanna make the simple syrup using brown sugar and water. You're gonna cook this over the stove, and you're gonna do 1 cup of water and 1 cup of brown sugar and get it to where it's melted enough to where it's this consistency. And if you don't have a pump, because not everybody does, it's 6 tablespoons to 6 pumps. And that's what we're gonna be doing today. So 6 pumps of the syrup, 2 shots, 2 ounces of espresso, and top it off with your oat milk. All right, let's go. So y'all know that I keep my Starbucks cups. I just wash them, and whenever I wanna make a Starbucks drink at home, I just reuse it and I act like I just went to Starbucks. So here we go. I don't have a shaker cup. This is the closest thing I have to a shaker cup. So this is what you're gonna do. You're going to mix your hot espresso into a cup, or make a mixer cup, and you're going to pump 6 pumps of the syrup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, once that's done, go ahead and give it a little shake. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. It's flying everywhere. All right, once that's shaken really good, and you're gonna wanna pour that over the ice. Now you're gonna top it off with this Oatly oat milk. And then after you do that, you're going to shake a little bit of the ground cinnamon and just sprinkle that on top. And there you have it, your brown sugar oat milk espresso drink. You're gonna wanna give that a little shake. Sometimes I just take my straw and just kind of shake it around. Take a sip. Ooh, that's strong. That espresso is probably way stronger than I'm used to. Although I do have a lot of the cold brew, I do find that this is a little bit stronger than I'm used to. So if you're not used to espresso, I'm gonna be like this all day. All right, there you have it. Try it. Save the bank, girl. Try it at home. Tell me what you think. Comment below in the comment section, and have a great one. Bye.